The Daydream 6 Air is a 6-person inflatable tent which includes a fleece carpet for added comfort and a footprint to protect the underside of the tent. Experience reliable performance and simple setup with the airframe technology. The Daydream 6 Air features such highlights as airframe technology, Weathershield 68D material, multi-point inflation, and climate control. The new range of Dometic inflatable tents and awnings are extremely quick and easy to set up thanks to the airframe technology. Durable air poles are inflated individually via external inflation points for the simplest setup and takedown. Super lightweight Weathershield 68D material is highly weather resistant. High quality fly screens have been designed for Australian conditions for increased ventilation. The large oversized windows, gussets, and additional vents create multi-level ventilation points which help to improve airflow and ventilation and regulates the interior temperature of the tent. The gussets have been specifically designed to suit Australian climates so that durable and reliable performance can be experienced. There are also cable entry points for 12-volt and mains cable access to power your equipment. The inner tent of the bedroom can be removed to allow for a wider sleeping space. The Daydream 6 Air is easy to set up. Lay the footprint down in your desired location, then remove the tent from the bag and place on top of the footprint. Using the pegs, securely anchor the tent at each corner and midpoint. Then locate the inflation valve cap. Unscrew the cap of the inflation valve and attach either the double action pump or gale pump to the nozzle and start inflation. Pump up each air pole to between 7 and 8 psi. The psi gauge is included on both pumps. Check the tent is fully inflated and ensure all inflation valve caps are secured on tight. Then commence pegging down each of the guy lines and tightening the blue quick pitch pegging points. Re-peg the corners if necessary to ensure the tent is in the correct position. When setup is complete, you can open the doors and windows to improve ventilation and to reduce condensation. You can open the gussets to allow for extra ventilation during the night. The Dometic inflatable tent is as easy to pack down as it is to set up. Remove your guy lines and unscrew the inflation valve caps to release the air from each air pole. The Dometic Daydream 6 Air. Feel at home in the outdoors.